Hello everyone, welcome to Minimal Mindful Mama. Today we are going to be decorating my minimalist home for Christmas. So I hope you'll enjoy this video and come along with me as I get out my Christmas decorations and decide what we're going to do for this holiday season. Since I am a minimalist, I'm only going to put out the things that I'm absolutely loving for this year. And we do live in a smaller than average home for the size of our family in the United States. And so there's not many spaces that I actually want to place decorations. But I do want to decorate my mantle and the top of my piano, and we'll be getting a Christmas tree. So I think that this will be a fun video, and I hope that it gives you some inspiration as well. And I personally just always love seeing everyone else's Christmas decorations and ideas. So I really hope that you enjoyed today's video, and let's go ahead and get started.
The first thing I want to do is to create a garland for my mantle. I had this bin of garland in the attic from years past, and I feel like garland is really trending this year. So I want to try to see if I can make this basic garland I already had look a little fuller and more expensive instead of going to Hobby Lobby or Crate & Barrel and spending a lot of money on a new one. Different texture and color to it by using stems of other types of greens. I have some eucalyptus and some olive stems and such that I had bought from the dollar store and Joann Fabrics back in the summer for the baby sprinkle we had. So I'm just going to fluff this as best I can, and then I'm going to add in the other stems throughout. I also twisted in a second of the basic garland to add additional fullness to drape down over the edge of the mantle a bit more. Time for other decorating. I made this felt gingerbread man garland last year and I still love it, so that's going to hang in the kitchen. In keeping with the gingerbread theme, I also have this gingerbread village I made out of a cardboard box last year, as well as our gingerbread house advent calendar that we've had for a few years now. have a bunch of these snow babies that had been my grandmother's, so I selected a few favorites to display on the piano this year. Next, I'm going to hang the stockings. I had found a bell garland at Goodwill last year, so that is on the mantle as well, and I'm just going to hang the stockings by attaching them to the garland. I'm going to put up my artificial trees. I have two mini ones that I bought at Aldi a few years ago. I'm going to do a different theme on each, so the first will be a snowflake icicle theme, and the second will be my baking themed tree with ornaments that I've collected that look like different kinds of coffee and baked goods. time for our tree hunt. Sadly, the tree farm that we always go to was closed down when we arrived, so we had to go to a few other nearby farms before we found the perfect tree. I bought baby's breath to tuck in the tree branches to create a snowy look, so I started working my way around the tree to disperse those somewhat evenly and fill in some of the gaps in the branches. I think the baby's breath turned out so pretty, and then my husband added the lights to it, and then it was time for ornaments. Each year, each person in our family gets a new ornament for Christmas, so it's always fun to put up our ornaments and be reminded of those memories. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed coming along with me as I decorated my home. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below so that you don't miss future videos. If you ring that little bell button, you'll actually get notified every time I upload a new video. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.